Hi everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly connect your email address in your Hubspot instance. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right and click this settings icon. Then you're going to click email under general. As you can see, I already have this connected, but basically you will see this email and you will see it says click here to connect personal. So I'm going to walk through how to do that. So you really want to check this box, turn on inbox automation. That allows you to log email reply, send in schedule emails, and like have automated task follow up. You really need to connect your inbox and turn on inbox automation to understand um, what is happening and the metrics that you're generating from your emails, replies, clicks, opens. None of that will track properly if your email is not connected properly. So I'm just going to put in another one just for this purpose of this video, Brian2 at digsmarketing.com. And I'm not going to go through this, but then all you would do is press connect to Gmail or whatever your domain is that you're hosting your email on. Once you do that, it might ask you for one or two like verification questions in your email. You have to go to your email and verify, and then you should be good to go. Hope this was helpful. Please let me know if anyone has any questions, and I'm happy to take a look at your instance and see if there's anything I can help with or fix if this is not working properly. Thanks.